Good things come to those who believe. Better things come to those who are patient. And the best thing come to those who don't give up. Study well, have patience, and the difficult times will pass away. Hello everyone. Let us continue the concluding part of Unit 5 of Mystery of the Missing Cap by Manoj Das. You will see here how the monkey Jhandu acted sensibly and returned back the cap to the minister which he had taken. And what was the after effect when the lie of the nobleman, the unknown admirer which Maharana Babu had framed, was disclosed? Look at the text, the book. Then, to my horror, I saw Jhandu rushing towards us from the other side of the pond. And Manoj Das was very frightened. He was very nervous that what will happen when Jhandu will come with the cap, because Maharana Babu had told a lie that the cap has been taken by a nobleman, and the nobleman was Jhandu. I saw Jhandu rushing. He was coming towards them. The writer Manoj Das, Maharana Babu and Babu Veer Kishore, who were standing in the veranda. From the other side of the pond. He was coming with the cap. I made an effort to warn Sri Maharana. Manoj Das made every possible effort to warn Sri Maharana about Jhandu's coming. But it was waste. It was in vain. But in vain. It was all waste. Jhandu got there in the twinkling of an eye. Look, this word, this phrase, twinkling of an eye. This means he came suddenly. Look here. It is Maharana, not Monarana. Here it is a printing mistake. So suddenly Jhandu came there in front of the minister, Maharana Babu, and our writer. He sat down between the minister and Sri Maharana. He put the cap once on his own head and then, taking it off, offered it to the minister with a genial gesture. Like a gentleman, he offered the cap, or he returned back the cap to the minister. Genial means comfortable, and friendly means in a friendly way, in a genial gesture. He returned back the cap to the minister. My heartbeat had trembled. Manoj Das' heartbeat had trembled. He was very nervous. He became nervous. He was frightened because the lie spoken by Sri Maharana was caught. He told a nobleman had taken, but actually monkey had taken, and this was disclosed, and the minister could know that Maharana had spoken a lie. And look what happened next. Looking at Sri Maharana's face, I saw an extremely pitiable image, pale as death. He was nervous. Pitiable means it is a feeling of sorrow and compassion. Image, pale as death. His face looked pale because his lie which he has spoken for the first time in his lifetime was caught. The surprised minister mumbled. The minister was surprised. He mumbled. Mumbled means murmured. Arre, isn't this one the very cap taken away by the nobleman? And is this nobleman the monkey who had taken? And imagine the situation, what would have happened there. And something most fantastic came out of the dry lips of Sri Maharana. His lips became dry because he was nervous. He could not imagine what to tell, what not to tell. Who seemed to be in the verge means edge, of collapsing. He was collapsed. He could not speak. And he told, yes, This is the noble man. He was nervous and he admitted that the monkey was the noble man. His eyes bulging out. Bulging means coming out. The minister managed to say. The minister was surprised. His eyes bulge out, come out. What? What did you say? Well, he could not say anything. But Sri Maharana was no longer in a position to say anything. Maharana also could not speak anything because his life was caught. He broke into tears. He wept, cried like a child. Next moment, I saw the Honorable Minister of Fisheries and Fine Arts weeping too. The minister also wept. They both became emotional. The PA's voice was heard from the opposite veranda. Look at this word. There is a spelling mistake here. Misprint. VERANDA. The PA's voice, personal assistant voice, called out to the minister, Babu Veer Kishore, that from the opposite side of the veranda. Look, this is a word, veranda, which is included in the Oxford Dictionary. This is an Indian word. Do you know what is the meaning of it? It is a long open structure or on the outside of a building that has a roof. Sir, the jeep is ready. He called out to the minister that the jeep is ready and we will return back. The minister gulped the mug full of water. He was emotional, he was crying, he was weeping, Then he drank. Gulp means drank. The mug full of water and walked towards the jeep. Sri Maharana followed him. Their reddened eyes and drawn faces mean pale faces, were interpreted as marks of sorrow and separation. Look at this paragraph. I am analyzing it. The minister became emotional and drank a mug full of water and was ready to return back. Sri Maharana followed behind him to the jeep. Their eyes became red because of weeping. Their faces turned pale. मुह सुखी जाइतला. Manoj Das has compared their pale faces with the feeling of sorrow of separation. When a close person gets separated, we feel bad. When Babu Veer Kishore was about to go, Sri Maharana felt very sorrowful. Sri Maharana's political endeavour is not known to have gone any farther. Endeavour means try hard to do or achieve something. Here Maharana Babu's dream to enter into politics is referred to. Sri Maharana's political endeavour is not known to have gone any farther. After this incident, his dream of entering into politics stopped. And it is strange that the Honorable Minister Babu Veer Kishore, who was willing to be robbed his cloth, was soon completely forgotten in politics. Look at this line. I am analyzing it. These two lines. After the incident, that is when the mystery of the missing cap was disclosed, the dream of Sri Maharana of entering into politics successfully shattered. His dream came into end. Babu Veer Kishore, who was excited once to be robbed all his clothes for the sake of his people who loved him, was completely forgotten in politics. He was completely lost. No one remember him now, where he has gone. I strongly feel that it was this episode. Which episode? The mystery of the missing cap had changed the course of their lives. Look, Manoj Das is telling us that this episode of the mystery of the missing cap has taught them a lesson and had changed their lives forever. So this is the end of the chapter, The Mystery of the Missing Cap. The whole chapter is a political satire of the post-independent era. Do you know what is a political satire? It is a term that focuses in gaining entertainment from politics. And in the whole chapter, we have seen that how a minister is treated. The story draws a clear picture of the political condition of India after independence. The people worship martyrs, those who have sacrificed their life for freedom, and to those who were working for the welfare of the country, such as the ministers. We learned a good lesson from the whole story, that we should handle every odd situation sensibly and carefully. We should never speak lie in any situation, even if it harms us. Hope you have enjoyed this story very much. Thank you and take care.